This is the Licensure Management and Application Online System tutorials for the new automated system. Clearing an alternative license. Alternative license can be lateral entry license, CTE restricted provisional license, student service personnel provisional license, or non-core academic provisional license. Clearance can be completed through an in-state IHE, an out-of-state IHE with completed Form B, coursework outlined by DPI for CTE restricted provisional license, provisional non-core academic areas based on passing test scores or 24 semester hours of relevant coursework. Pages 19 through 24 in the user manual outline these application requests. If you have questions regarding policy or technical difficulties, please contact the licensure section at 919-807-3310. To clear an alternative license, from the main menu, select General Application, then your application type, Clear Alternative License. Enter the teacher's information to search for the individual. This can be done by name, license status, license number, or social security number. Select the teacher's name on the left. This will provide you with the educator's details to make sure you have chosen the correct teacher. Select the back button at the bottom right of the page to take you back to the first screen. Do not press the back button on the top left-hand corner. You will receive an error message. Once you have identified the correct teacher, check the Select button on the right, then the Select button on the bottom right. This will bring you to a screen asking if you want to create a transaction. Select Yes to proceed. Read through the introduction section of this application. Valuable information is located here regarding both the LEA and individual's responsibilities for this license. You can move through this application by pressing the Next button at the bottom or selecting the corresponding tabs on the left. The tabs on the left are exactly the same for every application type as applies. You cannot make changes to the Name and Personal Data tab. The individual will need to submit a new request to make changes to this information. Items on the application with a red asterisk are required fields. You cannot submit the application without completing these fields. Contact information can be updated if corrections need to be made. Make sure the email address is correct since this is the main way of communication between the teacher and DPI. If the individual completed a teacher education program, the information will need to be inputted here. An academic major is required, or select Other if their major is not listed. Or if they completed a certification program only, you can select Other. To convert the license, you select the license area, the degree level of the program, the program completion date. If it was in North Carolina, select Yes in the North Carolina institution. Electronic request will be sent to the college if it's located in North Carolina to verify completion of the program. Documents required to clear may be a transcript or test score based on the request type. This final tab provides you a quick glance at the information entered. You can change any of the information by selecting the Edit button or selecting the corresponding tab on the left. Once you have verified the information is correct, press Submit. Once you press Submit, you cannot go back and make any changes. This should be the final step in the application process. If you do not press Submit, the application and attachments will remain on file for 30 days. You must complete the application within 30 days or you will need to upload your documents again. You can select View PDF Summary Report for a copy of the application you completed for your own file. The teacher will need to log into the system, answer the statement of applicant, and pay the processing fee. Fees can only be paid by the teacher with a MasterCard or Visa. Debit cards with the MasterCard or Visa logo are acceptable. Select Return to Main Menu to finish your application request.